Good morning. Good morning. It is the 12th of October. The crop report, supply and demand report just came out. We have some surprises here. Cotton market was up 15 just before the report. It's rallied. It's right now up over 200. The soybean market was down 1 before the report. Now it's up 12 and a half. Corn just before the report was up a penny and a half. Now it's up 2. And wheat was down a half before the report. Now it's up 6. So it tells you what the report showed. I'm going to read the USDA from the USDA site on cotton. That says supply and demand estimates show marginally lower production, larger exports, and lower ending stocks relative to last month. Production is reduced to 108,000 bales, mainly in Texas. Domestic mill use is unchanged from last month, but the export forecast is raised to 12 million bales due mainly to higher world import demand. Ending stocks are now projected at 4.3 million bales. The resulting stocks to use ratio of 28% is slightly below last season, but is still above the preceding 6 seasons. The forecast range for the marketing year average farm price is 59 to 69 cents. Now let's look at the world numbers. The global cotton supply and demand forecast includes sharply lower beginning stocks and ending stocks. Beginning stocks are reduced nearly 2 million bales as consumption estimates for China are raised for the 2014-15 and also the 2015-16 year. The sale of more than 12 million bales from China's recently completed reserve auctions and rising domestic prices suggest the China mill demand was previously underestimated. Consumption is also raised for the previous 2 seasons in Bangladesh based on revised data. So that's really it for cotton. And like I said, cotton's had a very big move up. Looking at the soybean numbers, let's see. The estimated acreage, we thought it was going to be 83.1 million acres. It came out close at 83 million. The yield for soybeans, they thought it was going to be projected at 51.4. It came out at exactly 51.4. Estimated production of 4.269 billion bushels for soybeans. Ending stocks of 395 billion bushels. They thought it was going to be 415, so that was adjusted down. For corn, estimated acres was what had been anticipated, 86.8 million acres. Estimated yield of 173.4 billion bushels per acre. That's exactly what the analysts had thought. Estimated production of 15.057 billion bushels. That is a little bit higher than they thought. Ending stocks of 2.320. The analysts thought it was going to be a little higher than that, but at 2.362. So, bottom line is a major surprise as they've revised past years for cotton, global supplies. Very big surprise for the market. No one thought this was going to happen. The bean number was positive. The corn number seems to be neutral. The wheat number also, ending stocks was 1.138 billion bushels. That's slightly lower than they thought. They thought it would be 1.152 billion bushels. That is it. Join us later for our afternoon forecast or our afternoon wrap up, and then we'll be able to look and see what actually happened here today. That's it. Have a good day.